India's Strategic Forces Command conducted a successful night test of the 4,000 km range Agni-4 intermediate range ballistic missile last night, which was part of routine user training launch. The launch validated all operational parameters and reliability of the system, and this successful night test reaffirms India's policy of having a credible minimum deterrence capability. The CEO of Embraer Defence and Security has said that the Embraer is in talks with Indian authorities for its C-390 Millennium. He also said that the C-390 is similar to the American C-130J in load-carrying capabilities, but it has a greater range due to its fuel-efficient turbofan engine. The Indian Air Force needs 6 more aircraft in this class, and interestingly, Embraer has offered the Millennium multi-mission aircraft in air-to-air refueling configuration, so that it can also be used as a mid-air refueler. He also added that Embraer is open to integrate Indian systems in the aircraft for India and even for other countries. The Defence Acquisition Council has approved proposal for the procurement of 105 wheeled armoured fighting vehicles with anti-tank guided missiles. The 8x8 wheeled armoured platform will soon be integrated with Nag anti-tank missiles, so that it can target armoured infantry vehicles and light tanks. The anti-tank WhAP variant will also be armed with remote-controlled weapon station with thermal sights and external add-on armor protection panels. The proposal for development of a wheeled tank destroyer with 105mm gun based on WhAP platform is also under consideration for operations in high-altitude areas. The Defence Acquisition Council has approved capital acquisition proposals worth 76,390 crore rupees. That includes procurement of 8 next-generation Corvettes at 36,000 crore rupees, manufacture of 3 Dornier aircraft for surveillance and intelligence gathering, indigenization and manufacturing of AL-31FP engine of Su-30 aircraft by Hindustan Aeronautics, rough terrain forklift trucks for the Indian Army, 50 T-72 bridge-laying tanks, 105 wheeled armoured fighting vehicles with anti-tank guided missiles, and 12 Swathi MK2 weapon locating radar system. After the recent test of the 55 km range short-range naval anti-ship missile from a Sea King helicopter, the DRDO has started work on the high-subsonic medium-range naval anti-ship missile variant that will have a range of 130 km. It will use imaging monopulse radio frequency seeker and will be capable to take out small patrol boats. Myanmar Air Force, which is the biggest export operator of the JF-17 Block II fighter jet, has grounded majority of its 16 JF-17 fighter jets due to lack of spares and technical issues with the airframe of the aircraft. Myanmar Air Force operates 16 JF-17 Block II aircraft that were delivered in 2018, and in less than 4 years, it has been facing a string of technical issues and lack of spares of Russian RD-93 engines due to US sanctions on Russia. A contingent from the Ladakh Scouts of the Indian Army is participating in the multinational peacekeeping exercise Khaan Quest 2022 in Mongolia, featuring participation from military contingents from 16 countries. The 14-day exercise is aimed at enhancing interoperability, building military-to-military relationships, developing peace support operations and military readiness among participating nations.
Omar dropped it.